Hello and welcome to another video, another episode, or whatever you want to call it, of Coffee and Stocks. In today's video, we are going to quickly talk about Hyliion and just Hyliion, right? So before we get started, how about we get some coffee? All right, so before we get started, obviously, I do want to say that I am not a financial advisor, so please do not take my words as advice. This is just purely entertainment. Don't forget to drop a like on this video as well as to subscribe, because honestly, it does go a long way in supporting the channel. We have reached 503 subscribers, which is amazing. I do thank every single one of you guys because I think you guys are amazing. We're going to keep doing giveaways next week. Not this week, but next week. I will be... putting a target so you guys could keep winning, so stay tuned for that information. But let's go ahead and talk about Hyliion. So let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see more. Toward this acquisition, obviously you guys know about this. I've been talking about this. I do have a position in this company. I think they're gonna do great stuff, honestly. So stay tuned with this company. Currently it is at 46.21. It did go 46.39 at close of market, and then after hours it did increase an additional 4.48%. Sorry about that. So that's pretty cool that they were able to grow so far. In the 1 week chart, it doesn't look that pretty. It is down 11.89%, which is about $6. We did have that scare these 2 days, which it went down 17%, but we were able to come back up around 16%, so that's pretty good. Overall in the week, 11% is not that bad. In the 1 month chart, don't forget, it is up 16.82%. We were at a high of 55.85. As we can see right here in the 52 week high, it was as the highest of 58.66. So honestly, we won't look at the 6 month chart because, I mean, come on, $10. Honestly, it looks pretty good for Hyliion right now. So tomorrow, September 28th, don't forget that there is a voting happening, and they're, shareholders are gonna vote if we should pass the merger or not, right? So let's just go a little bit on their presentation. I won't go too in depth into this, and I won't make this video too long because honestly I would rather you guys enjoy your day and not just see this video, right? So Hyliion, early developments and fleets with 30,000 trucks with 2 million miles driven over the road to date. Customer trials in 2021 with launch partner binding pre-orders of 1,000 trucks. So that's pretty cool. It has, it fits these models, and I'm pretty sure they're going to increase on the models that they could fit. So that's very interesting to see. What I really do enjoy about this company is that they put the information up front towards you guys. It's like, hey, this is how much it's going to cost. It's going to cost way less than Tesla. It's going to cost way less than Nikola. So say for example here, so the 7-year total cost of ownership, it's around 279,000, which is half of what Tesla is costing and like almost a third of what Nikola is charging. Obviously Nikola is at this point is gone, right? So hopefully they come back up after they get rid of all the high-end people. So available today, and which is super amazing to know that this is available today, right? A lot of class 8 truck drivers can buy some of these and update their class 8 to be emission free, carbon negative and all that stuff, which is super awesome. I do want to say, obviously, fuel price comparison, the R and CNG costs $1 per gallon equivalent, obviously, so that's pretty amazing. And then fuel carbon intensity scores right here, carbon negative, 346 GCO2. So that's pretty amazing to see. So I think what they're doing is pretty amazing, right? So that's definitely something to look into. Obviously, Agility has pre-ordered those 1,000 trucks. I'm pretty sure other companies have put in orders. We have Donna, who's been, has been an amazing contributor to everything like that. They've gone together with different other companies. So it's pretty amazing what they're doing so far. Obviously, it has around $800 billion replacement market opportunity. So they're trying to get that. They're trying to get some of that big chunk of that, right? So what I do, just something fun for you guys to see. As electric truck startup Hyliion goes public, founder is said to be America's youngest self-made billionaire. That's pretty freaking amazing, right? So Thomas Hilly, 28, will become America's youngest self-made billionaire next week when shareholders of public traded Tortoise Acquisitions Group vote September 28th to acquire Hyliion, the Austin-based heavy-duty electric truck company that Hilly founded after that, with the ticker symbol SHLL to HYLN, and the new company will get, look at this, the new company will get 560 million cash, which to build out Healy's vision for the future electrified duty truck. That's freaking crazy, right? So they're gonna, after the merger and after the voting and all that stuff, they're gonna get $560 million to keep building their trucks. So I like this guy. Honestly, I do like this founder. I like his vision for the world, his vision for the future. I think he's been doing incredible stuff. Spokespeople from Tortoise, a special acquisition corp, launched 2018. Obviously, so it's currently going for 42 today. That was a while back. It's currently going for 46.21. So as of deal, we're already done. Assuming this is a fait accompli, given 161.6 million pro forma shares outstanding, the implied equity market cap of new Hyliion comes to an impressive $6.7 billion, according to SEC filings. Hyllion will be the biggest shareholder with 22.9% of the company, or 34.9 million shares. So that's incredible. That's a lot of money, worth nearly $1.5 billion. Wow. He may not be as slick as other billionaires, electric truck impresarios like Elon Musk or Nikola's disgraced former CEO Trevor Milton, but Hilly has one up on both Tesla and Nikola when it comes to getting revolutionary tech onto the road. There are already 20 trucks operating with Hylion's electric powertrains. That's pretty interesting. Built via ventures with Donna Corp and Volvo. Tesla said this year it was delaying production of its semi until 2021. Shares of Nikola, meanwhile, has collapsed. Blah blah. We don't care about Nikola right now. So it's delaying the production of its semi until 2021. It doesn't mean that they can't get their stuff straight. They can't get their things on time. There's a lot of things happening in the world right now, especially with the pandemic. So it's not really helping out anyone. But one of the things that we could help with as shareholders is to vote on the 28th. If you haven't done so yet, to vote for the merger and to for it to go through, because then it will help us all out as investors. Now, given that tomorrow everything goes through and everyone votes for it, do I sell when it's super high? I don't think so. I don't think I will sell when it's crazy high, because honestly, I believe it's going to go way above 55, and I think it's going to go way above the $58, maybe $70 at the long-term price, right? 2021, they have an amazing thing going on, and I don't think just because the merger is gonna happen, that's the best time to sell. I think this is a long-term play for me, unless you guys have like 5,000 shares of it and you guys want to sell some of this stuff. I think you guys should keep it for the long run, because they're gonna do amazing stuff, and it's only just gonna increase. So you guys are pretty much, if you guys have shares on it, you guys are pretty much set when they do the merge, because they are gonna give you amazing returns later on. And if you don't already own shares, this time right here was the best time for you to buy some. Do I think it's still pretty expensive at 44? No. Maybe you guys should buy some tomorrow before it just dips up. But don't forget to do your homework before, because obviously I'm not a financial advisor. Anyways, that was today's video. Hopefully you guys liked it. You know, Hyliion doing amazing stuff. They do have the voting tomorrow, so I think you guys should buy some in the morning. But do your homework and do your due diligence before you guys start your position. Anyways, so see you guys next time on Coffee and Stocks.